Good evening. Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, as we do a bourbon banana flambe. We need vanilla ice cream, butter, bourbon, brown sugar, banana, and mint. Now I know you want the biggest banana, but what you need is a firm banana. Cut in half, hot dog and hamburger style, and get rid of the banana hammock, also known as the peel. Melt your butter in a pan, medium heat, add your brown sugar, 1:1 ratio. But we're talking conspiracy. Does banana size matter? The answer is yes, you want a normal banana size. The micro bananas won't work, and the giant bananas, the behemoths, it's just too much banana. Be personal preference on how hungry the banana eater is. Now when your sauce looks like this, add your bananas flat side down for about 30 seconds. Any longer, it's too long, they'll get too soft. And I don't know if you've ever tried to feed somebody a mushy banana before, but it's an embarrassing feeling. Alright, you flipped them, now get ready to add your bourbon. Add your bourbon. If you hit the bottle a little too hard, call the fire department. Otherwise, ignite your alcohol and flambe those bananas. You can add cinnamon if you want, you don't have to. And when the flames go out, your bananas are done. Don't leave your banana in too long, bad things happen. Now, scoop 2 beautiful balls of vanilla ice cream and add your bananas. And then, once your bananas are in, you're going to put some more sauce from your pan over the top. And then you'll have hot and cold mixing together, and it'll be amazing. Finish it up with a garnish of mint, and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, notification. I guess everybody says this bullshit. Anyways, ciao ciao. That looks good, doesn't it? Yeah.